Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to digitally sign your document. A digital signature is a secure, electronic way to authenticate the identity of the sender and ensure the integrity of the document. It uses a cryptographic technique to bind an individual's identity to a digital message or document. This process helps confirm that the document has not been tampered with since it was signed, providing a high level of trust and legal validity. To begin, you will need to obtain a digital ID, often called a digital certificate. These are typically issued by trusted third-party organizations known as certificate authorities, or CA, which verify your identity. Some document software, like Adobe Acrobat, also allows you to create a self-signed digital ID for personal use, though these may not carry the same level of trust as CA-issued ones. Once you have your digital ID, open the document you wish to sign in a compatible application, such as a PDF editor. Look for a Fill and Sign or Digital Signatures tool, usually found in the toolbar or menus. Click on this tool, then draw a box where you want your signature to appear. You will then be prompted to select your digital ID and enter its password to finalize the signing process. After applying your digital signature, the document will typically display a visible signature field. You can click on this field to view the signature's properties, including its validity and the signer's details. This confirms the document's integrity and authenticity. The document is now secured against any unauthorized modifications, providing assurance that it has not been altered since you signed it. You can then confidently share it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.